This video will show you how to add a glass wall to your pool. To get started, select your pool wall. For this example, I only want part of my wall to be glass, so I'm going to add 2 additional points to my pool wall. Next, click on Infinity Edge and Glass options. Then select Edit Edges. Left-click on the section of wall you would like to make glass. There are a variety of styles to choose from. Use this slider to adjust the glass height. Click on this drop-down menu to select the water flow over the wall, or you can select none. You can also adjust the glass thickness. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.